In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background in Framer. First, make sure you already have your Framer project open and you're on the page where you want the video background to appear. We'll start by adding a video element, then we'll position and resize it so it works well as a background. And finally, we'll adjust a few important playback settings. Begin by going to the top left corner of the Framer interface and clicking on Insert. This is where you can add all sorts of elements to your page, from basic frames and text to interactive components. Once the Insert panel is open, look for the section labeled Media. Click on Media to expand the options that are specifically designed for adding images, videos, and other visual content. Inside the Media options, find the Video element. Click on Video, then drag and drop it directly onto your page. Place it roughly where you want the background to be. We'll refine its size and position in a moment. At this point, you'll see a placeholder video box on your canvas. Next, we need to adjust how this video is sized. With the video selected, look over to the right-hand side in the Properties panel. Under the sizing controls, change the option to Fixed. This allows you to control the exact width and height of the video element instead of it resizing automatically based on content. After setting it to Fixed, switch the position setting to Relative. This will help the video respond more predictably within its parent frame or page layout, which is important when you're using it as a background behind other content. Now, resize the video so that it fully covers the area you want as your background. You can drag the corners on the canvas or type in exact values in the Properties panel. A common approach is to match the size of the main frame or section so there are no gaps around the edges. With the size in place, it's time to bring in your actual video file. In the Video Settings panel, click on Upload. Then click on Choose File and select the video you want to use from your computer. Wait for the upload to complete so it's fully available in your project. Once the video is uploaded, go to the playing setting and make sure the toggle is set to Yes. This ensures the video plays automatically as soon as the page loads. Finally, locate the muted option and set it to No if you want your